guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. Basically how to do your makeup and your eyeshadow and your foundation and everything so that you guys look absolutely perfect for an Insta picture. You have a photo shoot, wedding, anything. There's going to be tips throughout this entire video on how to truly get photogenic makeup. Tips on how to really intensify your eyeshadow and how to take the proper steps to get a dramatic eye so that you guys can look really good in pictures. Like in person, this looks pretty dramatic. It makes it look really incredible in videos and pictures. And I hope you guys take some tips from this and learn some stuff. I'm using quite a bit of my favorite products in here. I'll be talking about products as well. Everything's going to be linked down in the description box for you guys to check out if you're interested in anything. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. I'm going to start out with the eyeshadow. So I'm going to be priming my eyes. I'm just going to use this Too Faced little shadow insurance primer, and I'm going to prime my eyes with it. For this eyeshadow look, you're going to need at least 2 clean blending brushes. You're going to need a concealer brush because of the specific cream shadow we're going to be using. The one I used, I already did this look yesterday. I'm literally just recreating it for a video. I think those are all the brushes you'll need, but if there's any other ones, we'll go over them. Oh yeah, and you're going to need a little pencil brush so that you can blend underneath. I will link all the eyeshadow brushes we use down below in the description box. Start out with this palette. This palette I got at Walmart for like, I think it was $10 or $15. It's by Milani and I've been obsessed with it. It's their most loved matte palette. It looks like this. You guys have seen me use it in my past tutorial, I think. My last tutorial that I did, I will link it right here. But it is godsend. So the difference between this look and a lot of the other looks I do is that we're going to be concentrating, there's nothing on this brush by the way, we're going to be concentrating the product kind of in the middle of the crease. So I'm going to start out by taking this color here, and I'm honestly just going to blend that all over just as a base. Taking this color right here first, and we're going to blend that in the crease. What you guys are going to notice is that I'm going to be focusing this in the middle of the crease and then blending it outwards. The reason why is because we want it to be really intense in the center of the crease to grab this look and to make it look more dramatic. I'll bring you guys up closer. Don't be afraid to blend and drag this shadow outwards, only with whatever is left over on the brush. I'm taking this Sigma E25 brush and we're going to deepen this up. To deepen up the look, I'm taking this brown right here in the corner. The same concept, we're going to focus that in the center. I'm going to be taking some of this black shadow and I'm barely going to tap the brush in there, and we're going to deepen up the brown, like so. Go back in with the M511 and blend everything together. I'm going to take the matte color here and we're going to highlight underneath the brow bone. For the eyelid color, very different. I feel like I don't see this being done that much on YouTube. You guys see like those glossy looking eyeshadows and you're always like, where did they get such a glossy eyeshadow? Trick to this is you're gonna need an eye gloss. So I don't know if MAC has this, but I know Kevyn Aucoin has an amazing one. That's what I have. And this is an eye gloss and it's in the color Moonlight. And the reason why I got this color, it looks like this, it's kind of clear, is because you can literally mix this with any other eyeshadow. This Milk Makeup eye pigment with that eye gloss. Taking the Sigma E25 because I like how precise it is. You notice how that transferred a little? This is why we're going to do this so that it doesn't transfer. We're going to literally blend the crease. I know you guys watch these tutorials and you think, wow, she did that so perfect and it looks so easy. It's not. Literally, it takes work. Like you go back in, apply more product, blend, and you do that a few times until you get your desired look. So never be fooled by internet makeup tutorials. I understand that it's not as easy as we make it look. Next, obviously, we're going to put on eyeliner, and don't put away your eyeshadow yet because you're still going to need it. My favorite eyeliner, this is the Shoeing Liner by The Balm, and I love this. And we're going to use this and the black eyeshadow in the palette to do my eyeliners. either an angled brush or an eyeliner brush because we're going to dip back into that black eyeshadow, and we're basically just going to be going over that eyeliner. I love doing this. It intensifies eyeliner so much for Instagram pictures. It just makes it look matte. Matte is always good for pictures. When it comes to like eyeliner or mascara or lashes, you always want everything to look as matte as possible. This is a secret of how we get our eyeliner so black. Lashes. However, I got these lashes in the mail and these look just like velour except way cheaper because I have a coupon code for you guys. So my coupon code is gonna be right here. It's THANIA30. So stoked because these look so expensive. The coupon code, you get these for under $20 and these are stunning and these look exactly like velour and Huda Beauty lashes. Like a little bit more of the eyeshadow and the eye gloss, and honestly we're just going to make this more glossy. And this is exactly how I made it look so glossy in my picture. Go in and blend. Move on to the face makeup, shall we? But prep my skin, I'm using some Tarte products that I am so obsessed with. So I'm using the Maracuja Gold Oil right here and this Rainforest of the Sea Quench Primer. So you have to shake it, then we're just going to pump some of that in there. Gold flakes in there, they actually do come out. And this, you guys, makes my skin feel amazing. Before I actually started this video, I did do a peel and polish by Pixie. It felt amazing, you guys. My skin is like so soft. Let the oil sit in for a minute and then we go in with the primer. Primer feels so good. It's like this blue color, which is kind of cool. And it honestly just makes my face feel amazing and soft. I always do my neck. I mean, you put foundation there too, so it just makes sense to put it on your neck. Miss out on their neck, and the reason why I do it upwards is just because of gravity. We don't want to get any aging on our necks by tugging on it. Using these same exact foundations I used in my glowy skin video, so I'm gonna put on the foundation with my beauty blender and I will be back. I went ahead and put my foundation on. This match is so perfect and it looks so glowy. And the reason why I love glowy foundations is because everything just blends so easy on top of it. Taking this Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Chestnut, I believe this was like in collab with Jackie Aina, and I literally just put 2 dots on each side of my face, and this is exactly what I did for my glowy tutorial, except I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender because my oval brushes are just dirty right now. Keep breathing, breathing. Anybody else obsessed with the Ariana Grande Sweetener album? It's so good. Like contouring my neck because in pictures it makes a big difference. It just adds that shadow here so that you don't have like, you know what I mean? And for my under eye concealer, I've been using this Flawless Fusion Concealer by Laura Mercier for the past 3 months, and it is incredible. It's such a good concealer. It's so lightweight and it covers pretty well. It doesn't cover as much as like Shape Tape, but it covers really well. And what I like about it is that it just stays on and it doesn't look like you have anything under there. Just going to blend with the beauty blender. Everything just blends like butter on top of that foundation. Cats are crazy, like I guess because they're toddlers, I don't know, is it normal? I just don't remember my other cat being this hyper, or maybe it's just because it's 2 of them, they're like constantly playing, but they just are troublemakers. Like they break stuff, they run around everywhere. I left food on the table and they got up there and ate it. Like it's been a trip with my cats. Set all of that, I'm just using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Running out, I need another one. This is my favorite setting powder aside from Chanel, but this one's running out and I just love this one so much. It makes my skin look so smooth. I'm gonna set pretty much my whole face with it. I don't like to overdo the setting powder because I like a somewhat dewy face. Go ahead and finish up underneath the eyes really quick. A little pencil brush for that, as I told you guys. and basically the matte palette, and I'm just gonna put the colors I put in the crease underneath. Brush that we used earlier with the black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to add this as close to the waterline as possible. Row is Urban Decay's Glide On Pencil, and it's just black, and we're going to put that in the waterline. I swear, favorite mascara of the year since last year, honestly. It's between this one and that YSL one that I used to always use, but it's the Tarte's mascara. Like, I wish I had unlimited supply of this. It's like my favorite mascara. I feel like with this mascara, I don't need any other mascara. I'm not too picky about mascara on the top lashes because I always wear falsies, but my mascara has to look good on the bottom lashes, and this makes my bottom lashes look so good. These angled brushes by Morphe. It's an M405. I swear to you, I have like 6 of them. For contour, powder contour, I'm using this Pixie palette. Take this color, yeah, this color up here. And then we're gonna contour the nose a little bit. I never do crazy nose contours unless I'm doing like a transformation. So we're gonna take the same palette and we're gonna use the blush in here. And then for highlights, I'm using this new Pixie highlighter that I am obsessed with. Like, oh my gosh, it looks so good. And it's called Subtle Sunrise. Mix both of them together and I put them on. So before we do that though, I'm using my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. So highlighting brush number 98 to apply that. On another brush, just a clean brush, and I'm just going to take the lighter color and use that as the inner corner highlight. And now it's time for lips. I'm using a NYX Suede Lip Liner in Downtown Beauty. Lipstick is a NYX Lip Lingerie lipstick in Baby Doll. Alright guys, that's everything for this makeup tutorial. I was very inspired by Kylie's hairstyle for her birthday, except I don't have white hair obviously, but I really like the hairstyle, so I decided to do it for this look. I thought it looked nice. You guys think down below, do you guys want to see me do a Kylie Jenner birthday look? I will try to find a wig. That's all I can promise you guys, but I did get quite a few requests on my last tutorial to do that, so I will probably do it if I can find the right wig. Everything for this makeup tutorial, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all found it helpful. Leave me a thumbs up if you liked it. That helps you grow out so that we can grow this channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're new. You in my comment section letting me know what you think, what I can improve on, or what you like the best about my videos. Just let me know down below. Don't forget to leave this emoji right here if you stayed watching until the end of this video. Thank you guys so much, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. Change and evolve and grow up. I feel like I was almost a kid when I started YouTube. I mean, I was 18, but I feel like I've come such a long way since then, and